Have you ever wondered why you push through workouts every day, fuel up on protein, and chase supplements, only to stare at the same stubborn muscles in the mirror, especially as years add up? The world insists magnesium holds the secret to muscle growth, but what if that is a total myth holding you back? Two vitamins swallowed right before lights out rebuild your muscles quicker and more effectively than magnesium ever dreamed. Your body handles 70% of its muscle repair in sleep, from 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. Today, I lay out these two essential vitamins, beginning with the accessible one you can source without hassle, then exposing the under-the-radar powerhouse seniors often ignore. On top of that, I flag 3 supplements you need to banish from your nighttime routine to explode your recovery potential. Subscribe to Man Health 360 right now, and let us unlock the strength you deserve. You likely hold the view that magnesium supplements serve as the cornerstone for muscle development, but they fade next to vitamins engineered for precise nighttime restoration. Magnesium assists with muscle contractions in daylight hours, yet it neglects to spark the vital hormonal cascades and enzyme reactions essential for expansion during rest. Plenty of folks presume any supplement downed at night promotes better slumber, but B-complex, vitamin C, and caffeine shatter the profound sleep phases your muscles rely on for reconstruction. Individuals often convince themselves a modest hit of evening caffeine, perhaps from herbal tea or vitality boosters, poses no threat. But even minimal traces elevate cortisol levels, grinding protein integration to a halt. A further fallacy suggests vitamin schedules carry no weight, whereas ingesting the incorrect ones after dusk can diminish muscle restoration effectiveness by as much as 60%, particularly among those past 50. A 2025 investigation in the Journal of Geriatric Medicine determined that vitamin D3 intake at night elevated muscle power in seniors by 20% across 6 months, accompanied by accelerated healing periods. Findings from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicated that zinc supplementation among older adults facing shortages heightened muscle protein formation by 38% within 10 weeks. Harvard investigators followed 600 seniors, revealing that nightly vitamin D3 users accumulated an average of 3.5 pounds of lean muscle across 8 months, against a mere half pound for the placebo cohort. Research from the University of California examined 160 seniors deficient in zinc, discovering that 25 milligrams each day hastened post-exercise rebound by 45%. Insights from the Journal of Sleep Research demonstrated that B-complex consumption in the evening diminished deep sleep duration by 30%, whereas caffeine exposure within 6 hours of retiring abbreviated muscle-building hormones by 35%. Vitamin D3 engages receptors within your muscle cells, designated as VDRs, which extract calcium and phosphorus from your daytime nutrition to reinforce muscle strands during slumber, permitting them to flex with greater force and expand progressively. This nutrient further elevates testosterone synthesis after dark, assisting your system in transforming consumed protein into fresh muscle matter, an operation that decelerates by 60% absent adequate vitamin D, a shortfall plaguing 40% of seniors. Zinc energizes more than 300 enzymes tasked with muscle regeneration in deep sleep, ferrying amino acids into cellular structures for 6 to 8 hours to assemble novel strands. Although diminished zinc, prevalent in almost half of mature adults, undermines these enzymes and testosterone output, rendering protein surplus ineffective. Sidestepping B-complex after evening hours averts excessive nervous system arousal, safeguarding melatonin output and deep sleep intervals for growth hormone discharge. Antioxidants in vitamin C, administered late, quash the subtle tension required to initiate muscle mending, whereas caffeine provokes cortisol surges, derailing protein assembly and truncating deep sleep sequences vital for hormonal summits administered 2,000 to 4,000. International units of vitamin D3 alongside a supper, abundant in beneficial fats, such as herb-seasoned grilled salmon or vegetables glossed with olive oil, to heighten uptake and propel muscle renewal through the night. Ingest 15 to 30 milligrams of zinc 2 hours prior to retiring with a complete tumbler of water to prime enzyme performance free from rival nutrient clashes. Weave vitamin D-abundant edibles into your twilight repast, including 4 ounces of herb-encrusted salmon, garlic-infused roasted mushrooms, or a tumbler of fortified milk, supplying over 500 international units for superior assimilation. Relocate B-complex to morning sustenance to invigorate your waking hours without impeding repose. Transfer vitamin C to dawn intake to bolster defenses, while permitting nocturnal mending cues to operate unhindered. Purge every caffeine origin post-luncheon, encompassing concealed variants in vitality aids or faux decaf beverages, to suppress cortisol and preserve deep sleep wholeness. As Dr. Jennifer, I assisted David, a 77-year-old client, in relocating B-complex to mornings, whereupon he accrued 3 pounds of muscle in 5 weeks. As Dr. Jennifer, I directed Maria, an 81-year-old, toward early vitamin C dosing, alleviating discomfort and amplifying power in 4 weeks. As Dr. Jennifer, I coached Robert, a 78-year-old, in eliminating after-dark caffeine, elevating his GRAS potency by 23% in 6 weeks. Which among these supplements have you introduced at night? Oblivious to their interference with your muscle progress? Post your account in the comments below. How altered your supplement chronology influence your vigor or fortitude? Press the like icon if this presentation reshaped your approach to enduring vitality in later years. Enroll in ManHealth 360 subscriptions for bi-weekly research-supported counsel to sustain your mobility and wellness. Retrieve my 30-day muscle renewal dining blueprint, accessible via the description linkage, encompassing over 90 protein-saturated formulations aligned with these vitamins. Unite with our X assembly for routine wellness maneuvers. Locate the linkage in the affixed remark. I peruse each remark, thus relay your encounters, inquiries, or triumphs, and let us forge a more robust version of you collectively. Your input propels this outlet, so sustain the dialogue.